Hi, I'm Angela Gregg. Welcome to the Spring Open House presentation for chemistry. Second semester chemistry is very math heavy. Students need to have good algebra skills. And I treat it almost like a math class. Students need to attempt their homework nightly. They need to check their answers in class the next day and ask me when they need help. The topics that we're going to cover include the gas laws, solutions, chemical reactions, stoichiometry, kinetics and equilibrium, and we will finish out with acids and bases. Our spring semester grade breakdown is the same as what we saw in the fall. Tests will be 40%, labs 25, quizzes 10, daily work 15, and the final exam will count 10% of the grade. If students need extra help, I'm available during web blocks A through C, also Tuesday afternoons and Wednesday mornings. I use CTLS to share the schedule, assignments, and resources with the students. My recommendations for success in the second semester of chemistry: students should bring their laptop and scientific calculator to class every day. They need to complete their daily practice on time and to the best of their ability. Remember, second semester is more like a math class. The next day, they need to check their work against the provided answer keys, and then they need to ask me for help if they ever don't understand how to work a problem. There's time allotted for that during class, but if they feel like it's going to be a longer question, they are certainly free to come during web or to stay for office hours. I will be more than happy to help. If you should ever have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at the email address listed. Thank you for watching.